In this video, I'll show you how you can enable the YouTube auto dubbing feature, and I'll explain what that means for your channel. So you need to go to your channel icon and then head over to YouTube Studio. And once you're here, you may be invited. So if you go to your dashboard, you may actually see an invite on your dashboard as a notification. If you're not and you need to enable it manually, you can go to settings in the bottom left hand corner. And then once you're in settings, go to upload defaults, then go to advanced settings. Once you're here, you can then scroll down and you'll see automatic dubbing. Now you can allow automatic dubbing by just enabling this. Now you can decide if you want to manually review the dubs before publishing. So if you have that unchecked, they will just go out straight away as they are dubbed. But if you want to manually review them, you can go ahead and tick this, and you can review all languages or only the experimental ones. These are the languages that are more likely to contain errors, so you can make a choice here. I usually have it on review the experimental languages only, and then you can go ahead and click save here, and then in future this will be on for all of your videos, and it will be on for your past videos as well. So if you go to details on any video, you'll then see the languages section, and here you can go ahead and see your dubbed voice once it gets dubbed, right? So that is how it works, I do believe, and that is how you can enable it. I hope that video helped you out.